Welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Track is more excitement and jubilation. The excitement can't done. This is going to become, I guess, my new tagline. Who knows? But this time it's coming in the form of Andrew Hudson. Yes, you may not know who he is. He's a freshly minted Jamaican. Him just getting papers to rep the country. But he turned up and he showed out. Track fans, the signs were there from he ran the semifinals. We knew this time was on the cards. We knew the win was on the cards. Andrew Hudson went out at the NACAC championships in the 200-meter finals and he won the gold medal. Yes, trackies, him win one big gold medal for his first time representing the country. His first time dipping below the 20-second barrier. Can you believe it? And he didn't even run 19.9 something. No, he decided he's going to take it a step further and run 19.87. Me happy, me glad back boss, and I'm proud. You know, he would have run into some troubles in representing the country, but I'm so happy that he was able to rep the country at the NACAC championships. And here we have him showing up and of course winning a gold medal for us. Running out the podium was Kyrie King of the United States, 20 seconds flat, and Josephus Lyles, brother of Noah Lyles, in third place, 20.18 seconds. Trackies on the field for Andrew's win. I know I'm proud, especially after all of his struggles. He's come out here and he has won gold, dipping below 20 seconds. Boy, I'm not telling no lie. The man team has start look good again, and I can't wait for the next season. But anyway, trackies, sound off in the comment section and let me know your thoughts. And as usual, don't forget to like the video. Like up the video, them the man. And subscribe to our channel if you have yet to do so. Get the videos to at least 500 likes, please, and thanks. I'll catch you in another one.